Hello class 2, how are you? So after a long time we are meeting, isn't it? And in the previous day, in the previous video, I have completed the chapter The Magic Porridge Pot, isn't it? Then I have sent an attachment where the question answers I have written for you. I hope you have written all the question answers in your CW copy, and by this time you must have learned also. Okay. And children, one more thing that I told you, don't forget to write the word meanings that are which are given at the bottom. Okay, isn't it? So these word meanings you have to write in the CW copy. Can you remember how do we used to write when you were in class 1? Okay, so at first you will write the name of the chapter on your CW copy, then you will write word meanings, then the question answers. Okay, after completing the question answers, we will do the exercise. Okay, so by this time you must have completed writing all the question answers, that are those question answers and the reference to context also, isn't it? Now today we will do page number 19. So children, this is your book, you all know. So take out your new Mulberry book and keep a pencil, take a pencil in your hand and an eraser always, okay, whenever we are doing the class. Clear? Now see, we will open page number 19. This is page number 19 and we will do word wall. Word wall. So I have written here for you what we will do today. Page number 19, word wall. Clear? So just pay your attention and see what I am telling you. Okay, so that you can complete it. See, number 1, match the columns to complete the sentences. One has been done for you. So you have to match the column. As you know the chapter, you know the story, isn't it? It was a nice story. So you know the story. Now we have to match the column. Here, as numbers are not given, okay, so we have to draw lines. Okay, to match this, we have to draw lines. Clear? Now see, number 1 is done for you. The old lady's bags were how was the bag? How were the bags? Okay, so many were. 4 bags were there, isn't it? So the bags were heavy. So it is done for you. See, the bags were heavy. Fine. Now move to the next one. Poppy was. Now try to find out from this side. Poppy was delicious. No. Little. Think. Heavy is already done. Then sunny. Then kind. How was Poppy? Poppy was kind, isn't it? So you will match Poppy with kind. Okay. How? Poppy was a kind girl. How do you know that? Because she helped the old lady to carry the bags. Fine. Next, the porridge was, how was the porridge? Tasty, isn't it? Very tasty. So it was delicious. So what is the meaning of delicious? Delicious means tasty. Okay. So the porridge was delicious. Done? Okay. Next one. The porridge pot was, how was the porridge pot? Was it very big? Small? How was it? So the porridge pot was delicious, done, kind, done, heavy, done, little. The porridge pot was little. Okay. So you will draw the line like this from porridge pot to little. Okay. Next one. The weather on the day Poppy met the old lady was. How was the weather? Was it raining? Was it sunny? How was the weather? the weather was sunny, because we have learned that one sunny morning, isn't it? So the weather on the day Poppy met the old lady was sunny. Clear? So have you done this? So I hope that everyone, all of you have done this one, because you know the story very well. You have gone through it, and please learn the question answer also. So if you remember, if you can recollect the story, then it will be easier for you to understand also, isn't it? So keep on learning, keep on studying. Please, every day you read each subject, at least one chapter of each subject, okay? If not all the subject, at least 2 to 3 subjects you can read, isn't it? So children, you go through this. Okay, you do it in the book itself, no need of writing in the CW copy. This matching you will do in the book itself. Clear? Okay, I hope you have done. Okay, thank you class 2.